Okay, so core activation. So many people think they know how to activate the core, and they're doing like CrossFits and deadlifts, and they're going on spinning classes and yoga and Pilates, and they all come in here thinking that they have the strongest core ever. But that's so not the truth, because they come here with low back pain and neck pain and everything's kind of faulty. And so oftentimes, probably most of my patients that come in here are tennis players, dancers, whoever you are. I have CrossFit guys come in here thinking they have the best core ever, but I have to start them back at the basics of training the core, utilizing the breath to train the core. So I want you to think about the core being something at the front. It's not the rectus abdominis, which gives you that nice six-pack. That looks nice, but it's nothing more than a spine flexor. It's not a stabilizer, so you really don't have good protection when you just have a nice six-pack. And then on the back side of your spine, you've got nice musculature along sides of the spine. And if you do, that just means you have a very poor multifidi muscle, or one of the core muscles in the back, which is called the multifidi. So these two muscles, front and back, kind of are the first things to activate. But most of my patients, what they do is they activate the rectus abdominis, and then the paraspinals are always on. So from the externally, you look at them and they look so fit that they can't possibly be lacking the core, but it's really true. They come in here with herniated discs, compression up the compression in the spine, and then they have sciatica symptoms and whatnot, but they're not able to properly activate the core. So I'm going to teach you that, but the four compartments of the core musculature is the transversus abdominis at the front, multifidi at the back, and then the diaphragm at the top, and then the pelvic floor at the bottom. So remember these four muscles, because in the next series, I'm going to teach you how to properly activate them so that you can be properly functional without pain.